We've come to Southend. Why?
Why?
We've come away for a romantic weekend, isn't that right?
Yeah. Yeah, we'll just make it nice and romantic. We're going to go around all the casinos and have a little bit of a tour. That's romantic, isn't it? Shit. So we're now on this drag as you approach Southend. If you've ever been to Southend, then you're going to know it. It goes on and on
And on.
and on and on.
Really? Anyway, the real reason why we come to Southend, or the real reason that I come to Southend, is to go to the casinos. They have 3 different casinos. I'm not a big gambler, but I do like to have a flutter. Don't say anything. And Gabby loves to come for Primark. All the places we go, she always has to go to a Primark.
That's because different Primarks got different things in them. And our one in Norwich hasn't got a massive variety, so it's good to see other ones. Blackpool is the best, it's got 4 floors. So big up to Blackpool. Woo-hoo. Make sure you share this video on the Blackpool pages. It's a good bit of promoting.
We've arrived in Southend, and where are you going first? You saddo.
Primark.
Off she goes to Primark. See you later.
See you later. I've got my bag, it's full of money. Actually, it's not, that's why I go to Primark.
God, how cool is that? The Ghostbusters are here in Southend.
What do you want for Christmas anyway, Tim? I'm all over some emergencies. Look what she's got.
You love the gossip, don't you? What's going on?
I wonder what they nicked. Probably nicked a pair of knickers or something.
It's definitely Christmas in Southend. That's actually quite cool.
It's really festive, doesn't it?
It's really very impressive.
Big will have some of these.
So we can look like that.
Extra small. An extra small. Wonderful. That'd be great for our family. Holly won't join in because she's a miserable bugger. Extra small. Always get them on from the back. Someone like me tried the one on in the front and then they might have had BO.
Do you remember these? Look.
Is that a Tamagotchi?
Well, that I don't know what that.
Virtual
Yeah.
pet, yeah. They used to be called Tamagotchi.
Did you ever have one?
Tamagotchi? No, I could never afford one.
How much are these? These are £3. They must do an app so you can have this on your phone, right? Caramels. A whole load of them.
I've got one like this in a lighter red. It's cute. This is a nifty little number, isn't it?
Sparkly. Why have you got a bag in a bag? See, the only thing that puts me off in Primark is the queues. It takes absolutely forever. Thank you. Here you go.
Oh,
Merry Christmas.
Did you buy them for me? Early Christmas present, look. Something to wear for Christmas.
Here we go.
What's in the state of this place?
Not a bad room.
Got a sofa. That's weird, isn't it? There's a stain on the floor. Look. Or is it the way the carpet's gone?
I don't know. It was a nice bed, and although we didn't pay for a sea view, but we've got one.
Well, it'll do. Oh my God, Tim. The heating is a plug-in radiator. What
can't be.
on earth?
It can't be.
Or is that an added extra?
I think it might be. Do you remember we stayed here once before,
We were on the corner.
and it was
Yeah,
really cold in the room, wasn't it?
Right, I ain't got no time to muck about because I need to get my face mask on.
So we've checked out our room. There's a stain on the carpet. Gabby's not happy. It's got no heating that we know of. It has got heating. There's just an extra heater there because the room is just so big and roomy. Oh, nice bed actually.
Well, at least we can be separated for the night.
Yeah. Toilet, sink. This area is a bit wasted, isn't it? Nothing here. No light working. Mind the step. No, that's the... Yeah, okay. No lights in here. Kevy? What are you doing in the shower with your clothes on?
It's not what it looks like.
And the way you're doing that is flipping weird.
No, I just went to put my products in the shower and I've got a face mask on to save time now.
So obviously we can't film in the casino, so I'm leaving my camera here and I don't want it to get nicked. You ready?
And it's not only will it get nicked, but if he was to film in the casino, he'd probably get arrested.
I don't think you get arrested, but
You might.
how can you cheat with the camera? It's just because it's going to be so busy, it's better if I don't. So we're going to say goodnight, wish us luck.
I've decided that I'm going to keep it to £30 tonight.
Okay.
What about you?
Yeah, me too. Good luck.
I don't quite believe that.
I'll meet you down there.
I don't quite believe that.
Good morning.
Perfect in every way. Just doing my normal face routine with the tropics. How do you feel this morning? Hangover?
No.
How did you do in the casinos?
All right.
Yeah, you did, didn't you?
Interesting carpet. It's a bit like a it's a hotel, but it's like an office. Random. Oh god, this is the is this the squeaky?
Oh, these lips will dodge. Sure.
Does it was a barcode that I just scanned.
Brilliant. Thank you. Upstairs. You might probably want to wait downstairs and then I'll come and get you at the exit.
Yeah, I think that's a great idea.
Don't you hate it when you can't remember what floor you're on? I think I'm on the top level. I've just realised she's got the keys. No, I've just realised you've got the car keys. It's so stressful just putting things in a bloody car. Anyway, Gabby's putting all that stuff away in the car, and this is the hotel we stayed in. It's the car locked. So all in all, our Southend trip was
Eventful.
it was very short anyway. Thanks for coming along to Southend with us. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe, and we'll see you very soon. Bye.